Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to solve this question. See, the question is like this. A particle of mass 1 kg is subjected to a force which depends on the position as given F is equals to minus k x hat plus y in y hat newtons. With k is a constant, given k equals to 1 kg per second square, at time t equals to 0, the particle's position is given by this. R is equals to 1 by root 2 in x hat and root 2 in y hat meters. And at time t equals to 0, its velocity is given by this. V is equals to minus root 2 in x hat plus root 2 in y hat and 2 by z in z hat meters per second. Now, see. Given that, let Vx and Vy denotes the x and y components of the particle's velocity respectively. When z is equals to this 0.5 meter, the value of this equals to what? See, when z is equals to this 0.5 meters, the value of x Vy minus y Vx equals to what? We need to find this. See, this question looks so big, but it's very easy. Actually, this question looks too big. Means half a board's question, but it's actually very easy question. Yes, see. For physics questions, we need to understand what has been given in the question and what we need to find. See, we have been given the position of this, the velocity of particle at t equals to 0, the mass, force, and this constant is given to. Z is given to in this equation, and we are told to ignore the gravitational effect here, but focus it. We need to find only this. This equals to what? For this, we have to find the position x. Here x is the position, so we need to find this x Vy minus y Vx. Now see this question looks so big, but we need to find this, only this. See, x is the position of the particle in x hat. Here from this equation, at time t equals to 0, the position is 1 by root 2 in x hat and root 2 in y hat. We haven't said here, the question hasn't said that we have to find it at any other time or any specific time or any specific thing. So we simply take the value from here. See, now the x is equals to, at time t equals to 0, 1 by root 2. The y component of position means this y is equals to simply root 2. Now, this is Vy, the velocity of particle at time t in y hat and the velocity in x hat. Look at the velocity equation here. Its velocity is minus root 2 in x hat plus root 2 in y hat. Write it down. Vx is equals to minus root 2 and Vy is equals to plus root 2. Now simply put these values here and calculate. X Vy means 1 by root 2 into Vy is root 2 minus y root 2 into Vx is minus root 2. This becomes, this cancels, 1 minus this minus plus root 2 into 2 equals to 3. This 3 will come up here. This is, see how easy this question is, and it looks so big. Sometimes we get tricked. Sometimes we get tricked, or maybe you can say like some entrance exams, they play a prank on us. In this question, there is no need of this mass kg or this z component to find this value. It's just in x and y, and we can find this. Because we don't need these extra values, because the force is only in x and y hat. There is no force in z component, which means the particle's velocity in z component becomes, it doesn't have any significance. And the position is also, there is no position in z component. Here we have been said only to find this expression, and this expression does not need the z components of velocity because there's no vz here. And since there is no force in the z hat, the position or velocity in x and y is not get affected. If there is a force, if there would be a force in z hat, then the position of particle or velocity of the particle will get affected somehow. But that's not the case here. That's why this question is too simple, just because the absence of the force in z hat. See how easy is it? Try to understand. And if some other questions come to your mind, it's a mechanics question, you can ask us in our comment section, and I will try to answer it for that. Thanks for watching, and